Alright, ready?
You ready?
Yep. Here it goes. Steady go. Too fast. It's master 1/3 horsepower. Alright, back down. And now we'll do an exterior view. Okay, I got it. It didn't work. It's kind of noisy. Is it? How loud is this thing?
It's not very loud, I don't think.
It needs some oil though.
I don't know about oil. It's a little loud. But
It needs lubricated. It needs lubricating.
Maybe.
Okay, now we'll run it back down. Oh, for God's sake. Okay. And not too loud. But you didn't turn that off. I'm fine. So yeah. That's it. Old Master.